Some junkies, yeah, yeah, yeah. In the city, we are the map. We are why there should be some junkies, there, in the city. Not so much as a stare, more a gaze. Somebody's haggling, somebody's throwing monkey looks, somebody's trying to get themselves laid. There's a guy looks like he's hassling some woman and looks like she just got paid, and she's watching some teenagers arguing about some DJ. There's another guy looks like he's begging some kid heavily into the rave. A couple and some graffiti on the side of a building. I'll have to get closer to see what it says. We are the map, yeah, in the city. Looking for another way. Scene is still downtown. Some cheese has just asserted the manhood. Says there's a woman, looks like she needs attention. That's happening pretty quick. There are a line of faces making a yes. I think I'm satisfied, love. Take a quick glance round and then head down for another sip. It's so much in me, and I'm watching them, yeah. And then there's someone else watching us all. I wonder if they feel the same. There's that feeling trying to inflate itself, kind of just behind the physical. And you'd probably describe it differently to that, but I find that sort of thing difficult. She's got a cigarette in her right hand, and she looks like she wants to be busy, yeah. In the city, we are, you are, they should be soul junkies, yeah, we are the map. In the city, there should be soul junkies, yeah, in the city. We are the map, looking for another way in the city.